bonus craft fair video. This is a project that I made for my craft fair, and I didn't get the video out before my last craft fair, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you now. I used these teas, and these teas here are from the Dollar Tree, and they're actually really delicious and a great deal. In each of these boxes are individually wrapped teas, and I think you get like 20 per box. So my sister Bree came over one night, and what we did is we turned on the Hallmark Channel and made us a snack, and we tested every single one of these teas. The only one I didn't try was the green tea because I don't like green tea and my sister does, so I knew I wouldn't like it regardless, but these are actually really good teas. And I also had this full container of this Tea of Life tea that I got at Tuesday morning, I believe. So what we did is we put together some really cute favors using these teas. Now, if you're going to make this, just make sure that you find the tea boxes that are individually wrapped. So I'm going to open up one of these and show you what I'm talking about. These are, I think, the apple cinnamon. I'm not sure. Yeah, the apple and cranberry. And these are my favorite out of all of them. So let me show you the little packages inside. These come individually wrapped, and they're so pretty. And they're perfect for the holidays. And these we found at Dollar Tree. So they're $1 a box, as I was saying. And let me just show you what we came up with for our craft fair. Okay, so for the rest of the video, it's going to be me talking back when I made these a couple weeks ago before our last craft fair. Enjoy! So what you're staring at is the inspiration that I had for this project. I picked up these adorable tins at Hobby Lobby last year. They do have them again this year. They're in my store anyways. And Christmas was, you know, it goes 50% off eventually. I think it's 50% off right now in Hobby Lobby, but last year, of course, I waited till it went 50% off because these were $1.99, so I got this for $1 single, and I bought every single one they had of this size. So this is the 4.3 by 4.3 by 2 inch tin. And it's the buffalo checkered plaid that says Merry Christmas, and it's just my dream. It's so beautiful, so cute. The little size is adorable, and I initially had the idea to make my Hershey Nuggets and put them in here, but to fill this thing up with Hershey Nuggets, it took 24 Hershey Nuggets, and you guys know how expensive those are. So I thought of the idea with my sister Bree's help to make these little cute favors called Tea for Two tins, and they are so cute. This is what it looks like inside. How cute is this? This is the cutest thing ever. It's so adorable. So what's in here are 2 of these mini silver spoons that you can stir your tea with. And these spoons are from the Dollar Tree. You get a pack of 24 for $1. And it's filled with peppermints, and we got these a pack of a bunch in a pack for $1 at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And then each tin has 10 teas in it. You might think that's a lot, but each of those boxes from Dollar Tree holds 20 teas. So really, if you think about it, this is 50 cents worth of tea. That is amazing because these flavors are delicious. There's such a variety of color and flavor, and they just look so cute all displayed in the tin. So Bree had come up with the design where you would just do, you know, kind of like a fan out situation. And then she had the cute peppermints. So it's kind of like you have tea for two. You have your little cup of tea with a little piece of candy as a snack and your spoon to stir it. I think that's the most adorable gift for Christmas and great to mass produce for your craft fair. And if you wanted to make these for like Christmas gifts or little favors at a tea party, that would be so fun, because you could even use this for your Secret Santa and like pair it with like a pair of fuzzy socks and a cute mug. Ooh, that would be so cool. Or you could even get a book, like like your favorite book, and a bookmark and a nice mug, and gift it with this tea. I mean, the possibilities are like seriously endless, because this is such a cozy, cute little gift, and it was so easy to make. And tea, just make sure that when you get your tea that you get the individually wrapped kind. And tea is very inexpensive. Like I said, we got the Dollar Tree boxes, and then we got the Tea of Life. So let me find one that has the Tea of Life tea in it. Let me put this back together.
They go down, not.
Oh, like this?
Mm-hmm.
Bree pretty much engineered this, so that's why. All right, so she had it perfect, and then the lid just goes back on. I'll have her fix that so it looks cute, but isn't that adorable? And then here's one where we use the Tea of Life tea packets. There's, is there 8 or 10 Tea of Life?
10.
Yeah, there's still 10 in there with the 2 spoons. And then on this one, instead of the peppermints, we put little candy canes. And I think that's such a cute idea. So there's a bunch of candy canes down in there, and all the flavors of the Tea of Life, and 2 little spoons. So this is my cute little project, Tea for 2 tin, and I think that it's so cute. I can't wait to see how it sells at my craft fair. And I just think that a great price for this, which is what I'm going to be charging, is $4. Because if you think about it, the tin cost me $1. The tea cost me 50 cents on most of them. I mean, up to maybe 75 cents if it's the Tea of Life. Then the peppermints are like pennies, the spoons are pennies. So that $4 price point is a great price, I think. But again, you can make this your own. Go to Dollar Tree, see what they have out. They have really cute tins this year. Hobby Lobby is the same. They have really cute tins for 50% off. So we made so many of these. I just want to, even though they all look the same, I just want to stack them up and show you guys all the ones we made, kind of so you can see how it's going to be displayed at the craft fair. And we made 15 of these because that's how many tins I bought. We have one more to make because we had that one empty tin, but we're going to display one like this open on our table, so then, you know, the customers walking by can see what's inside. So there's my project. Bree just actually made a cute sign. Let me show it to you. With some cute alpha stickers from Target and some cute paper that matches the tin. Isn't that adorable? And she just put our little price so we can hang this by our display. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my craft fair series. It means so much to me, and I want to thank you for supporting my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to have some DIY Christmas gifts coming up next, and some other fun surprises as well. So thank you so much again for all your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!